To get started, launch the IMO app on your phone. Navigate to the individual or group chat where you want to send a disappearing voice message. You will see a blue microphone icon next to the text input field. Press and hold it to begin recording your message. Slide your finger to the lock icon before releasing the button. Beside the lock icon, you will see a round icon labeled 1, which represents the disappearing message feature. Tap on it. Continue with the recording. If you need a break during your recording, tap the pause button. If you make a mistake, you can delete the recording by tapping the trash bin icon. Once you have finished recording, tap the blue send button below. Your disappearing voice message will be sent automatically. Once the recipient taps on and listens to the disappearing voice message, it will be automatically deleted. So that's how you can send a disappearing voice message on IMO.